What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian and welcome back to What the Pun. Alright, so where do I start today? So it's bad news. Luckily it's not in regards to Tappy, and for those of you that's not been following the channel, Tappy is myself and Ronald's first project car, which is actually very close to being back on the road. So stay tuned. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are following what's going on with Tappy. But I promise you, Tappy is like this close. Alright, so in regards to the bad news, it comes in the form of my own Golf R. So I'm not going to waste any time, so I'm going to take you to the car and show you what's going on. Cool, follow me. Okay, so we're in the car. Let me just show you the problem. I'm going to start up the car and let it run through its thing and wait for the warning light to pop up. Still needs, okay, that's fine. I need to top up my wash fluids. That's all standard. Alright, so you can see here, it would be this bad boy here. That's still, this is the main problem. So from reading the manual, they said I could potentially be experiencing a loss of power when the light comes on, or wait a minute, let me just put on the heaters. It's a bit cold in here right now. So basically could be experiencing, with this light come on, loss of power, which I've not noticed. I've not noticed a loss of power or anything with the light on. Alright, so when the warning light first come on, I was a bit concerned. The strange thing is I didn't notice a loss of power, the light just stayed on. So my first immediate reaction was to park up to one side, completely switch off the car, leave it for about a minute, and then let the car run again. Light still stayed on. I was hoping I'd turn off, because sometimes these things can be just sort of like a computer glitch, really. You just turn the car on and off, and then the warning lights do sometimes vanish. But in my case, it still stayed on. So immediately when I got back home, I called the Volkswagen dealership, and basically it's like, you know, when can you come in? So I got myself booked in for today. I'm heading there right now, and they will let me know what's up, and I'll keep you posted. So but in terms of, I mean, I suspect it could be just a faulty sensor. I've experienced this before with another car, something very similar, warning light, didn't really lose power, but all it needed was a sensor replacement after they ran diagnostics. Alright, so I'll keep you posted. I'm going to head there right now. Arrived at Volkswagen in Watford, dropped the car off, gonna head home now and wait for them to call me back, so wish me luck. Alright, so back in the Golf R already. It's actually the same day. So a bit unexpected because I basically have the car back same day. I was expecting them to need to keep the car, you know, for a few days, maybe order some parts, replace some bits, but I have it back already. So basically they told me there's like a canister inside the car. Sometimes it can, I think they said like the VAT canister of some sort. Yeah, it's over my head already. And sometimes it can throw sporadic errors, which appears to be the problem that my car has. Basically they told me monitor the issue. If it still comes back within 500 miles, let them know. Then it may be something else, but for now, to basically monitor the issue. If it gets worse, get back to them. So at the moment, warning lights are all cleared. They basically cleared the errors. They did some tests. To them it seems fine, so they're happy to give it back to me for now, but like I said, monitor how it goes. If it comes back, I'll be back with them, so stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. If this becomes a long ongoing issue, then I'll be doing more than one video about it, but for now I'm just gonna enjoy the drive. Alright, that's it. Just finished a bit of a test drive. Done about just under 30 miles of driving, and warning light still not come back on. I don't know if I'm happy or sad that it's not got a problem, but I mean, I'm glad I didn't have to leave the car for, you know, days, a few more days just for them to repair it. But I'm also not sure how I feel that it was something so simple, but I don't know, who knows. I mean, I'm sorry that this video isn't more exciting, that it wasn't something more dramatic, but you know, I honestly thought it was the same thing as well. I honestly thought it'd be a bit bigger of an issue. I thought I might have needed, like, you know, some kind of sensor or something needed replacing. So honestly, I mean, these things happen. I should be glad that it was something simple. Anyways, that's it for this week. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if, you know, if there's some stuff you'd like to see me cover and like to see me do in the future with the video and with the video content, then just drop a comment. Just tell me what you'd like to see us do on the channel. Alright, so take care. See you next time. Bye bye.